Yes, so the collaboration with XLR was an excellent one. We conducted a Power BI workshop with Advanced Excel over a span of 3 days. The workshop was almost 12 hours long in total. Mr. Karthik, who was an amazing trainer, helped the students understand the concepts deeply. I am sure that the students will be able to apply these concepts in their careers as well as their daily lives.
The trainer, Mr. Karthik, was an excellent person where he explained in very detailed manner on how to give great insights using very complex data sets.
So it was a machine learning workshop. We learned a lot from the course and it was a great experience attending the workshop.
The trainer was very helpful. He had a hands-on approach with his teaching and it was fabulous.
This was a great experience for me. So I would absolutely love it if XLR and its team would come again to our campus and conduct more events like this.
It was a great course and it started from basics and took me to a great extent.
The experience of the workshop was really nice. The feedback from all the students was positive. They understood the concept. The workshop was also practical based with some questions. The experience with XLR was very smooth. They helped us in conducting the workshop smoothly right from the booking of the vendor and deciding the course till the distribution of certificates. In overall, this workshop was a success during our Technical Fest Atmos, and I thank XLR for being a part of it.
was very much interested in learning digital marketing course for a very long period of time, but I don't get a proper platform. So later from our college, I get to know about XLR and I enrolled in XLR course. It was really good experience. Our course has been taken by Mayur sir, and he was very good teacher. He not only focusing on theory part, he is doing how real digital marketing works, and it was in total very good experience. I get so much of knowledge. Here they're not only focusing on study, they're also conducting different exam to test our knowledge. And as we are giving the exam, so to appreciate our work, they give certificates for the toppers, and along with the certificate they give hampers. Thank you, XLR.
Recently, I was searching for digital marketing courses online in Google, and I came across XLR, and I attended a digital marketing course which was for 15 days. My mentor Mayur helped me for attending these classes. So he is a very informative and helpful guy. In the course end, there is a exam which I topped. So I came to the XLR office in Bengaluru. This digital marketing course has helped my career and my skills to develop, and the certificate has helped my company to join. Thank you, XLR.
I came to know about this course from my college. Actually, for learning platform, this is very nice, and I learned from here ChatGPT and AI from online. Because he's teaching for me for AI generative and ChatGPT. We are using this technology in more. And after finishing the courses, I came from for collecting the certificate. I seen the classrooms and faculties. Classroom is very nice. After the completion of exam, they will give gift and certificates. Thank you, XLR, for giving these courses. I learned a lot from this. I gained the more knowledge from here. And thank you for XLR for teaching us.
Hello guys, I'm Vikram Mahajan and I'm studying in Swami Vivekananda Institute of Technology College, and I came across a training program which was mobile app development using Flutter, which was given to us by XLR Solutions. I came across this program through my college faculty, who told us about this program, that it is a very good course and you should enroll in this course. So I enrolled in this course, and initially I felt really good about this course because they started everything from a very basic point of view, that even if someone who doesn't know anything about Flutter or anything about mobile app development can also learn the same way the ones who know about it are learning. So no student was left behind and everyone was given equal attention. All the doubts throughout the course were cleared. And if we had any questions also, we were like, the trainer was also ready to stay for a longer time than it was scheduled, even for the sake of doubts. So that shows how important the students are to them. So it was a really good experience with XLR's program, and by the end of the training program, I was able to develop my own application. And through the development also, there was another point. So our sir taught us about how we can connect our own mobile phone to our laptop and write code in our laptop, and you can see the output in your phone. It was really creative and interesting for me. I felt really good about that. So in the end, I developed my own mobile application. I showed it to my mother. I showed it to my friends. I felt really good about it. So I would really suggest XLR. I would recommend it to all my friends to take courses from here, as they focus on the children, focus on the students, and they focus on what's necessary. That is, the students' doubts gets cleared and everything else. So today I came down to the XLR office to collect my certificate. So I got to know about what other courses XLR is offering. It included data analysis, data analyst, social media marketing, and full stack Java, and many more courses which were interesting, and they gave us an insight of how everything happens, and they take you through the course from the starting of the course to the end, and what next, that is placements as well. How you should be going into the interviews and how you should be approaching to companies, your resume building, and there were so many things which XLR is going to help you in, and they are ready to give you all the knowledge required even if you are a beginner. So I really felt good about this visit, and I would really recommend XLR to everyone who's listening to this, and also to all my friends, that I had a very good experience with XLR, and I would suggest you to experience the same. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Satish and I am from Swami Vivekananda Institute of Technology. I am here to share my experience about XLR program. I took part in the XLR program that was conducted in the last month about the mobile app development using Flutter. What I liked the most about this session was the trainer started from the scratch. That means even the beginner who don't know about the basics of the program, even they can learn the most from this program. It gave me hands-on experience by developing a project which was the final outcome. Thank you XLR for giving me this opportunity, and I would also recommend all my friends to take part in the XLR programs. Thank you.
Yes, so the collaboration with XLR was an excellent one. We conducted a Power BI workshop with Advanced Excel over a span of 3 days. The workshop was almost 12 hours long in total. Mr. Karthik, who was an amazing trainer, helped the students understand the concepts deeply. I am sure that the students will be able to apply these concepts in their careers as well as their daily lives.
The trainer, Mr. Karthik, was an excellent person, where he explained in very detailed manner on how to give great insights using very complex data sets.
So it was a machine learning workshop. We learned a lot from the course, and it was a great experience attending the workshop.
The trainer was very helpful. He had a hands-on approach with his teaching, and it was fabulous.
This was a great experience for me. So I would absolutely love it if XLR and its team would come again to our campus and conduct more events like this.
It was a great course, and it started from basics and took me to a great extent.
The experience of the workshop was really nice. The feedback from all the students was positive. They understood the concept. The workshop was also practical based with some questions. The experience with XLR was very smooth. They helped us in conducting the workshop smoothly, right from the booking of the vendor and deciding the course till the distribution of certificates. In overall, this workshop was a success during our Technical Fest Atmos, and I thank XLR for being a part of it.
was very much interested in learning digital marketing course for a very long period of time, but I don't get a proper platform. So later from our college, I get to know about XLR and I enroll in XLR course. It was really good experience. Our course has been taken by Mayur sir, and he was very good teacher. He not only focusing on theory part, he is doing how real digital marketing works, and it was in total very good experience. I get so much of knowledge here. They're not only focusing on study, they are also conducting different exam to test our knowledge, and as we are giving the exam, so to appreciate our work, they give certificates for the toppers, and along with the certificate they give hampers. Thank you, XLR.
Recently, I was searching for digital marketing courses online in Google, and I came across XLR, and I attended a digital marketing course, which was for 15 days. My mentor Mayur helped me.
Good evening, friends. May I know which topic we discussed yesterday? Can you people tell which topic we discussed yesterday? Yes, team. Can you chart with me? Which topic we discussed yesterday? Will you people chart with me? Anyone? Linked list now? Are you people able to run the linked list code? Are you people able to run the linked list code? Whatever the linked list is there. Are you people able to execute the linked list code? Please reply. Please give the confirmation to me. Are you able to run the linked list code? Yes or not? Give the confirmation. How many members are able to execute the linked list code? Reply. At least to chart with me. Please raise the hand. How many members are able to execute the linked list code? Only one member now. Remaining members team. I need the execution from you people. Everyone need to execute. Please raise the hand. How many members executed single linked list code? Only 5 members. No? Sure. Fine. Now, team, try to see this one. Now, we should be in a position, we need to go through double linked list. Can I continue with the double linked list? Yes. So, what is double linked list? For example, I have the nodes. So, this is the node 1. Each node divided into 3 parts. Part 1, next one, part 2, part 3. Each node divide it into how many parts? Reply. Each node divide it into how many parts? 3 parts. Fine. Here I have another node also. This is the one more node, and here I have another node also. Another node also. Try to say this one. Here try to say this one. Here it contain previous node address. Previous this node address available here. And at the end, please tell me here null. At the end, obviously contain the null. See this one. This one what do you call? Previous node address. This one what do you call? This one we can call data. This one what do you call? Next node address. Each node divided into 3 parts. First part contain previous node address. Second part contain data. Third part contain next node address. Coming to the third part contain next node address. So then this concept we can call double linked list. Whatever the concept we have, this concept we can call double linked list. Fine. Team, can I go through the one example with the double linked list? Reply. Can I do the one example with the double linked list? Yes. How we need to do the example? Here we should be in a position we need to go for the one compiler. Try to go through the one compiler. Fine. Nagesh, please tell me. Nagesh, what is your question? No question, na? Fine. Next one. Here I try to say this one. Here I need to create one node. Yesterday like that. How to create the node? Class node. Don't to do along with me. I'm requesting you people never do along with me. Allow me to complete the code. Later you can do that one. Class node. Here what we have into data. Simply we need to place into data. Next one. Here we have another thing here. Node previous node address. And here we have another thing here. Which one? Node next. Node previous we have here. Next one is here we have the node next also. Simply we have the node next also. Here we need to take the constructor. How to take the constructor? Public node. Public node. Here I need to pass the into data. Let me pass the into data. This data I want to pass to this data. How to pass to about data? How we can pass it here? Distant data equal to data. Distant data equal to data here. Next one. Previous node equal to null. Next node equal to null. Here say this one here. Here distant previous node equal to distant previous node equal to what? Null. And distant next node equal to distant next equal to what? Distant next equal to. Here we need to place the null. Here we should be in a position we need to place the null here. Fine. So the node is ready. Whatever the node is there, the node divided into how many parts? Answer. The node divided into how many parts? Replier, the node divided into how many parts? 3 parts. Na? One part is the previous node address. Another part is the data. And another part is the next node address. Fine. Here I need to do the another thing here. Here create our own class. How to create our own class? Class, don't do along with me. I'll give the time to you. Class my double linked list. Class my double linked list. Simply we need to take the class. Here we need to take head node. Head node in the sense first node. Fine. Let me go for the first node. So that is the head node. Fine. Here first task. Insert new node at the end. Insert new node at the end here. I wanted to insert one new node at the end. So how we can insert a public, what you wanted to place wide, which one here? Insert at the end. Insert at the end here, and here we need to place the into data. Simply whatever the data we have here, that data we need to pass. Public wide insert at the end. Public void insert at the end here. Here we need to pass the into data. Fine. Create the new node here. How we can create the new node? We should be in a position we need to create the new node. Node new node equal to node, new node equal to, here what you want to place, new node of which one? Data. New node of which one we need to place? Data. For example, here we need to place this one. If head node equal to null. For example, no nodes are available. Make new node as the head node. How we can make? How we can make here? New node equal to head equal to what? Head equal to new node. Head equal to, simply we need to place the new node. After adding, simply we need to return it. Here whatever we have, we need to return it here. Fine. Team, try to say this one again. Which function you want to write? Insert node at the end na? Reply. Insert node at the end. Fine. Here what we need to do? Create a new node and check it. You need to check it whether we have at least one node or not. We need to check it. How we can check it? If head equal to if a head equal to null, if a head equal to null, for example, no node available. If no node available, make a new node as the tell me, make a new node as the head node, and we need to return it. Fine. Here, see this one here. Check nodes are available or not. Fine. Next one. Here, and another thing. If nodes are available, try to say this one. If nodes are available, whatever the head node we have, that head node we need to add it to temp node. How we can add it to just like last example? How we can add a node temp node equal to node, which node? Temp node. Temp node equal to which node? Head node. How to jump to last? Team, tell me how to jump to the last. I need to jump to the last. How we can jump to the last here? While tempo dot next. Say this one. Tempo dot next not equal to null. Fine. Here, how to move? Temp equal to what? Temp equal to tempo dot next. Automatically we can move to last node. Fine. Here, tempo dot next equal to here we need to place what? New node. And another thing, here tempo dot next equal to what you wanted to place? New node. New node previous equal to here we need to place the temp node. Whatever the temp node is there, that temp node we need to place. Team, try to say this one. Whatever the code we return here, if nodes already available, we need to move to last node. After moving to last node, so now this is the last node. Last node address equal to next address equal to new node. New node previous address equal to which one? Temp. So whatever the logic we have, finally, whatever the logic we have, this logic is used to add the element at the end of linked list. Fine. Now let me try it. Whether will it work or not, we need to try it. How we need to test it? How we need to test it? Here, can you help me? How we need to test it? How we need to test it here? Please answer. My double linked list. List equal to which one? New my double linked list. Fine. List dot what? Inserted end. Now which one we need to place? 10. Simply we need to place the 10. Here, let me add the point also. We need to add the pointer. Here, which point we need to add? Here, println. Head node added. Plus data. Fine. Next one. For example, if you go to here, here I need to place another thing here. And one more thing is the println. Println node added at end. Node added at end here, and here we need to place the data. Fine. Now, team, let me run the code here. Yes, head node added successfully. Now, here also I need to do the another thing here, add another thing here. Which one we need to add? 20. 20 added. Now, Try to add the another thing here. Which one we need to add? 30. 30 added successfully. Now here we need to go through the another thing here. Which one? 40. 40 added successfully. Now we need to go through the another thing here. Which one we need to add? 50. Yes. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Yes. Now, try to check this one. Team, please try to execute this one. Just to take the some time here. Then I'm requesting you people need to export this code. Requesting everyone, please do up to now. If anyone completed, give the thumbs up symbol. Once completed, give the confirmation to me. We can't send this code in the chat box here. We may not send this code in the chat box. You people don't want to type at least 10 lines of code also, na? You people not interested to type at least 10 lines of code also. Once completed, give the confirmation to me, then I need to go for the another operation. Team, is it completed? At least raise the thumbs up symbol. Then I need to go for the another functionality. Once if you people completed, then I need to go for the another functionality. Let me download the code. No, let me share the code. I'm sharing the code team. Please go through that one. I sent the complete code also. Please check that one. Students, please do that one. You people need to do it. Can I continue? Whoever completed, give the thumbs up symbol. Do I need to continue? Abhijit Singh. Reply. Can I continue or do I need to wait? Operation 1 completed now. Like insert node at the end. Is operation 1 completed? At least to give the thumbs up symbol. Once if you people give the confirmation, then I will go for another example. Otherwise, I'm not getting the clarity from you. Like yes. Let me go to the another example. We need to go to the another example. Fine. Now here we should be in a position. We need to go through the another example. Let me go to the another example. Display elements in a forward direction. I want to display elements in a forward direction. How can we display elements in forward direction? Here. Now try to say this one. What is the another operation? Display elements in forward direction. Display elements in forward direction. So how we can display the elements in forward direction? So let me display the elements in the forward direction. How we can display? Now try to say this one. For example, public wide forward display. Forward display. Public wide. Here simply we need to do this forward display. Now whatever the header node we have, that header node, for example, if head equal to null. Null, here we need to place println of double linked list is empty. And we need to return it. Simply, we should be in a position, we need to return it. Fine. And here, now say this one. Whatever the head node is there, else condition. Whatever the head node is there, that head node, we need to add it to temp node. How we can add it to temp node? How we can add it to temp node? Can anyone tell me how we can add this one to the temp node itself? Can anyone tell me how to add it to temp node? Happily, we need to add it to temp node itself. How we can add a node temp equal to head node. Head node. Now here we need to go for the println message. Print. Print. Here which one we need to place? Print. Here we should be in a position we need to place the forward. Forward. Here we should be in a position we need to place the forward here. Next one. Here we should be in a position while temp dot next not equal to temp dot next not equal to what? Not equal to null. While temp dot next not equal to null. Here and one more thing is the temp dot next not equal to null. Here we need to print the data. How we can print the data? Print of temp dot data. Here we need to place which one? We need to place temp dot data. Temp dot data, and here we need to place some gap. Here we should be in a position, we need to take some gap here. Gap, otherwise you need to place the arrow symbol also. How to move to next line? Temp equal to. How to move to the next line here? Temp equal to temp dot next. Temp equal to temp dot next. Automatically we can move to the next. After the while loop, here we should be in a position, we need to place the println. Print. Print. Here I need to print the temp dot data again. Data. Here we need to place space, and here we need to add the null also. Yesterday code, not more than that one. We need to go for the yesterday code itself. Next one. Here and another thing is the, what is another thing we need to place here? We need to go for the new line. Simply we need to go to the new line. Fine. Team, Let me call this function, which function? Display forward function. How can I call display forward function? Can you people tell me how to call the display forward function? List to data. List to dot, which one? Display forward. List to dot, display forward. Run the code. Yes. Automatically we're able to display 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. No. Fine. Now add the another data also. How we can add a list to dot, add list to dot, insert at end. Insert at end of which one you wanted to place 60. After adding the new element, call the another thing here. Call the another thing here. We should be in a position we need to call the another thing here. Yes, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and then null. Fine. Now, team, just to do this one, I'm requesting you people do this one also. Insert forward direction. Display elements in forward direction. Everyone, I'm requesting everyone can please do this one. Everyone need to do the coding, like a forward direction code. Anyone done? Reply. If anyone completed, please give the reply. Give the confirmation, team. Students, please give the confirmation. Once if you people done, please give the confirmation. Done na? Nothing here, top code, nothing here. Here, which code is there? Just to call the forward display, not more than that one. Just we have the forward display, not more than that one. Can I go for the backward display? Can I continue? Can I continue? Say yes or no. At least you people need to say at least yes or no. Can I go to backward display? Yes. How? We need to do the backward display. Fine. Here, how to create the function? Display backward. Display elements in backward direction. How we can display? Public void backward display. Public void. Here, which one we need to place backward display? How we can display the elements in the backward? So how we can display? Here, see this one. Node. Temp node equal to. Here we need to place which node? Head node. Simply, we need to place the head node. Now, consider it here. Consider empty case. How we can consider? If chudale. If temp or head equal to null. Equal to null here. What we need to do? Equal to null here. Here simply we need to place println. Println double linked list is empty. Double linked list is empty. And here we need to return it. Whatever we have, we need to return it simply. Simply, we are ready to return it here. Fine. And another thing. And after completing the if condition, then we need to see the another thing here. Here we should be in a position, we need to go through the another case here. So which case we need to do? Here we need to do the another case. Which case we need to do? First of all, move to the last. Team say this one. All the nodes are there now. I'm requesting you move from this node to this node and this node to this node. After moving, make this node as the temp node. Fine. Whatever the node is there, then that node we need to make it as the temp node. So how to move to the end? So let me move to the end here. How we can move? While. Which one we need to place? Temp dot next. Temp dot next not equal to what? Null. Null. Here how we can move? Temp equal to which one here? Temp dot next. Temp equal to temp dot next here. Happily, automatically we are able to move to the last. See this one here. Navigate to last node and consider last node as temp node. No, team, at present we are at the end. Move to the forward. How we can move to the forward here? How we can move to the backward here? Here we should be in a position print which one here? Here print which one here? Backward. We should be in a position, we need to place the backward here. Now here, and one more thing is the say this one here. Once again we need to move. How we need to move here? While once again we need to move to the forward. Temp not equal to null. Temp not equal to null. First of all, move to the back to front again here. We need to move to front again here. How we can print it here? Print data dot next. Temp dot data. Here we need to place the temp data. Here we should be in a position, we need to place the temp dot data here. Fine. After that, how to move to the previous? We need to move to the previous here. Temp equal to temp dot previous. temp equal to temp dot previous, automatically we can move to the previous node. And here I need to do the another thing here. Even though here we need to print the last data. How we can print it here? Here print temp dot here which one here print temp dot what temp dot data print. We should be in a position we need to place the temp dot data here, and here we need to place what you need to place here. We should be in a position we need to place the another thing here. What you want to place here, simply we need to place the null also. Fine. Check our luck whether the right code or not. We need to check our luck here. Try to check our luck. Here how we need to check it? List to data display. Display what? Display backward display. Backward display. Run the code here. Yes, team, try to say this one here. Correct. But which mistake we done? Instead of this one, we need to place like this, na? Like this, we need to place. Instead of this one, we need to place what? Like this. But we don't need before 10. We're able to say 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. But we can't print the null here, not an issue. Remove this one. Remove this one, not an issue. Now remove the temporary data because we don't have any data. Remove it. Anyhow, not an issue. But we are able to read the data from the backward to front. Like this is the backward reading. Fun. Friends, I'm expecting you please read this code here. Let me download the code. Now, team, execute this code also. Backward display. Everyone, I'm requesting everyone, please do that one. Everyone, I'm requesting you people, please run the code. Understand the flow. Understand the flow, how the code will execute internally. Then anyone completed? Team, anyone completed? Understand the flow. I'm requesting you people, please understand the flow. Team, anyone completed now? Please give the confirmation. Once if you people give the confirmation, then I will move to the next level. Can I move to next level? Reply, can I move to the next level? Team, can I jump to the next level? Can I continue? Team, can I continue? Hello? Yes, let me continue. Now, minimize this one also. I need to minimize this one again. And another thing is try to see the another thing. Delete a particular key. Delete a node. Node based on key. Key in the sense we can say value. Fine. How we need to delete it? Say this one again. Here we need to delete it. How we can delete it? Public. Public. Here which one? Wide. Public wide. Which one? Delete. Public wide delete here. Here what you wanted to place? Here we should be in a position. We need to place the int data. Like based on the data, particular node I wanted to delete. For example, say this one. All the cases we need to consider. Case 1. Case 1. Empty double linked list. Empty double linked list. Check empty double linked list. How to check it? How to check it? You people need to tell how to check it. If head equal to null. What do you call? Here what do you call? Println double linked list is empty. Double linked list is empty. And we need to break it up. So this is the case 1. Now here, so let me go to the case 2. Team, can I go to the case 2? Can I go to the case 2? Answer, can you please answer? Can I go to the case 2? Answer, this is the case 1. Na? Yes, this is the case 1. Case 2. Delete head node only. Delete head node. Customer asked to delete the head node only. So how we can delete it? First of all, we need to check it now. First of all, we need to check it. How we can check it again? Here, if here what we need to do? Here we need to do the whatever the head node we have. Whatever the head node we have, that head node we need to add to temp node. How we can add? Node temp equal to head. So now head node store to where? Head node store to where? Temp node na temp node. So how we need to handle here? If temp data. Here don't take the data again. Here it's recommended to take the key. Temp data data equal to key. So if it is matches, what we need to do here? Head node I need to move to next level. How we can move? Head equal to head equal to, we should be in a position, we need to go to the temp dot next. Temp dot next, and simply we need to return it. Here we should be in a position, we need to return it. Fine, not only that one. We need to delete previous also na. Previous. So how we need to do it? Here head node previous equal to null. For example, here we need to take some condition. Which condition? If head not equal to null. If head not equal to null, here head dot previous node equal to null. Fine. Team, very simple. It's not that difficult here. Customer asked me delete the head node only. How to delete it? If temp dot data equal to key. So move head node to the next level. I want to move head node to the next node. Fine. Not only that one. After moving head node previous, we need to make the null. When we need to make the null, if head node not equal to null, then previous equal to, we need to make the null here. And another thing here, we need to place the some message. Yeah, node, head node deleted successfully. Head node deleted successfully. So this is the message I need to place. So team, how many cases we handled? Reply are how many cases we handled? Can anyone tell me? 2 cases we handled na? Reply, how many cases we handled? We handled the 2 cases na? Please answer, man. We handled the 2 cases na? Yes. Now go to the case 3. We should be in a position, we need to go to the case 3 here. Simply, we need to go to the case 3 here. Fine. Delete middle node. Here we need to delete middle node here. First of all, we need to go to that node location now. We need to navigate to that node location now. We should be in a position, we need to navigate to that node location. Whatever the node we have, we should be in a position, we need to navigate to that node location. How we can move? While, try to say this one. While temp not equal to null, while tempo not equal to null, and tempo dot data not equal to key. Team, the meaning is the whatever the code I written here, the meaning is the navigate to matched node. We need to navigate to matched node. Fine. How to navigate here? To navigate, simply we need to place the temp equal to tempo dot next. Temp equal to tempo dot next. Team, try to say this one. Now, whatever the temp we have, this temp we can call matched node. Whatever the temp we have here, the temp we can call matched node. For example, if this temp is null, I hope you people need to put the more focus on this one. If the temp is null, we need to simply, we need to revert it. Don't do anything here. For example, and here we need to do this one. If tempo dot, say this one, if tempo dot next not equal to null, if tempo dot next not equal to null, now temp previous equal to this, right team. Here temp previous dot previous equal to tempo dot previous. So team, the meaning is the here, whatever the code I written here, delete. Whatever the code I written here, this code is nothing but deleting the particular node. For example, try to see the another thing here. If tempo dot previous not equal to null, here, then we need to go through the tempo dot previous dot next. I hope you people need to take a lot of time to understand this logic. Next equal to tempo dot next. Tempo dot next we need to place. So first of all, let me test it this code. I need to test this code here. Delete code. Whatever the delete code is, that delete code I need to test it first. How to delete it here? List to dot. Here we need to place the delete. List dot delete of, we need to delete the 10. What happened we will see. After that, go for the forward display. Which one is deleted? 20 deleted successfully. Next one, list to dot delete of, here I need to delete 30. Yes, 30 deleted successfully. Fine. Now, team, catch this code here. Take the pen and paper, just to take the 15 to 20 minutes of time. Then take the pen and paper. You need to trace out the code slowly. Otherwise, I will tell here. Which function we created? Can you people tell me which function we created? Or a reply or which function we created? Can anyone tell me which function we created? Delete function. Whatever the function we have, then this function we can call the delete function here. Fine. And another thing, here we need to password int key. For example, If no node available, what is the answer? Double linked list is empty. Then we need to see what? Return. Head node we need to store to where? Temp. For example, if a data matches, if a head node, if you wanted to delete the head node, then head node deleted successfully, we need to break it. For example, middle node. How to delete the middle node? If temporary head node not equal to null and tempo dot data not equal to key. If this condition is satisfied, then this node is the matched node. If it is a matched node, then temporary previous node equal to the before previous node, and the previous node equal to next we need to add the next here. So finally, whatever the matched node is there, that node will delete here. Fine. Now, team, I'm sharing the code here. Take the pen and paper here, and I'm requesting you people analyze the code. Too much complicated code. Execute it. Delete functionality. I'm requesting you people execute the delete functionality. I hope it's recommended to type the code instead of do the copy paste. Already shared. Shubham already shared. Already shared. Shubham code already shared. It is sent here. Kushi already sent the code. Sent the code a number of times, Kushi. You are asking send it again. I sent the code a number of times. Send the code again. Everyone able to run the double linked list code. Then take the pen and paper. Nothing. Here I'm expecting, say this one, delete the middle node. We need to move to that matched node. Say this one. Temp is the matched node. Fine. If a matched node, for example, here we're asking the case 3 na. So whatever the temp we have, this temp is the matched node. For example, temp not there. I think we may not place anything here. It's not matched. Here and one more thing. That node previous, like matched node before node equal to previous node. Got it now? Temporary node before equal to which one you need to place here? Previous node. Indirectly, the meaning is the delete the temp node. And node next equal to that previous node next equal to current node next. I think a little bit logically, then you can get it. to the top code place. So this is the top code. Let me take the screenshot of it. Someone asking the top code, see the top code. Students, anyone, please raise the hand. How many members are able to execute the code? Team, please respond. Are you people able to do this one? ఎవరన్నా చేశారా? Anyone completed? Make it fast. Whoever completed, please raise the hand. At least, I'm expecting at least to 25 to 30 members, they need to implement all the functionalities. Anyone completed? Has anyone completed? Give the confirmation to me. Team, let me go for the one more basic classic. Can I continue? Just a basic application, not the great application, very basic application. For example, here I have some programming. Here I have some programming. In a programming, known code will not the known code. For the programming, P repeated how many number of times? P repeated how many number of times? Anyone? One. And R repeated how many number of times? Anyone? Two times, na? Two times. O repeated how many number of times? One. And G repeated how many number of times? Two times, na? Two times. Fine. Now I need to go through this code. How we need to get it? I hope already done, but let me do it again. Already done. This code already done here, but let me do this one. Yeah, here how to handle this one. Assume this one. Take one string. Team, please tell me how to take one string. String str equal to we should be in a position we need to place the programming. For example, say this one. Here I have the P. Here I have the G. Here I have the 1, 2, 3. Something we have. My requirement, convert all capital letters to small letter and remove any numbers or any other characters are there. Please remove it. So how we need to do it? Here str dot to lowercase. Str dot to lowercase. To lowercase. Next one, which one we need to place? Replace all. Replace of which one? Replace all of. Here we need to place the cap. Cap which one? Small a to z. Small a to z here. Here small a to z. Next one is the here we need to replace with what? We need to replace with the empty. Non-alphabets must replace with the empty. All capital characters must convert to small characters. Now here we should be in a position string, clean string, clear string. Now print the clear string. Whatever the clear string we have, this is a clear string we need to print. How we can print? Yes, automatically we're able to print. So this is the input here and this is the output. Fine. Do that one. And later we need to count it. 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 And later we need Team, let me do this one. Create object to the hash map. How we can create? Here, let me write the comment also. Convert capital characters to lowercase and remove non-alphabets. Remove non-alphabets. So this is the code. And another thing, one more thing is the try to go through the another thing. We should be in a position we need to go through the another thing. Okay? So which one we need to place it? After that, here we need to go through the here create object to hash map. Create object to hash map. Team, can you help me how to create object to the hash map? Map which one? Character, comma, which one? Integer. Here we need to place the map character, comma, which one? Integer. Integer, here we need to go for the frequency. Frequency map equal to which one you wanted to place? New hash map. Simply, we should be in a position we need to place the new hash map. Automatically, we are able to create the object to the hash map. Fine. And another thing is the try to go through the another thing and read character by character. I want to read a character by character. How we can read the character by character? For character ch colon clear string. Now store to hash map. How we can store to hash map? Frequency map dot put. Frequency map dot put. Put off what you wanted to place here. We need to place a ch. Next one, frequency map. Frequency map dot here we need to place the get or default. Get or default of here what you want to get ch. For example, if it is a 0 time, we need to add the 1. Fine. Next one. And another thing, we need to print the frequency map. Simply, we should be in a position, we need to print the frequency map. How we can print a println of frequency map? What's the problem here? Clear str dot to char array, because we need to convert to the character array. P repeated one, A repeated one, R repeated one, G and N something. We got it here. Fine. Team, I will explain the code here. Try to say this one. P. This is the P. Assume here P. P stored to where? Frequency map. If P already available, old count plus 1. If P not available, 0 plus 1. Everyone, at least you people need to catch this single line. If we catch this single line, everything is easy. What is the first character? Answer, what is the first character? P. We have the first character. The first character is the P. So this is the P na? This is the P here. P store to frequency map. Before storing, it will check. If P already available count plus 1. If P not available, 0 plus 1. Fine. Now, team, do this one. Everyone. I'm requesting everyone, please do this one. Why voice not audible? It will audible here. No, we can't. Anyone completed? Lekana, nothing Lekana. Say this one. This is the P na. P store root to CH. That P store root to hash map. P stored. If a P already available in the hash map, available count plus one. If a P not available in hash map, 0 plus 1. So that is the meaning of this code. Anyone completed? Team, anyone completed? Give the confirmation to me. Can I go through the one more simple example? Can I go through the one more simple example? Let me go through the one more simple example. Now here, the one more simple example. Let me go for the one more simple example. Here, let me take one string, a basic level example. It's not the great one, a very basic level example. For example, here string str equal to welcome to DSA. Welcome to DSA. How many words are there? How many words? At least to chart with me. How many words are available? 3 words now. Here we have the 3 words now. How many words are there? 3. Find out number of words. How we can find out it? Say this one. String array. String array. Result equal to string array result equal to str dot split. Str dot what? Str dot split. Split. And here we need to place the str dot split. Str dot split of here we should be in a position we need to place the slash 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 s. Yes. And here we need to place the plus symbol. So if a space is there, then we need to split it up and print the result. Whatever the result is there, that result we need to print. How we can print the result here? Println. Println. Here we need to print the result. I hope we may not print. Some code will come here. Array start to string of which one? Result. It's very good to say. And if you wanted to find out the length, how we can find out the length? Result dot what? Length. Yes. So number of words are 3. Do that one. Basic level examples. Anyone completed? Can I go through the one more basic program? Team, can I go through the one more basic program? Reply. Can I go through the one more basic program? Yes. Now let me go through the one more basic program. Count vowels and consonants. Consonants. I hope already you people know this one. What are vowels? Will you people tell what are vowels? A, E, I, O, U, na? A, E, I, O, U, we can call the vowels. So same example. So how we need to handle it? We should be in a position we need to handle it. String str equal to, here we should be in a position we need to place the hello, welcome. Welcome to DSA. I'm requesting you people convert to the small letters. All the letters you need to convert to small letters. String, revised string. Revised string equal to what you wanted to place str dot to lowercase. Next one here, call the revisor case. We need to call the revisor case. Println revisor string is automatically variable to set. Fine. Now take the vowels and consonants. So how to take it? How to take it? Can you tell here? Int vowels equal to vowels equal to 0. Int consonants consonants equal to what? 0. Vowels equal to 0 and consonants equal to 0 here. Fine. Read each character. How to read each character? I want to read each character here. How we can read the each character here? Can anyone tell here? For character ch colon revised string dot to char array. To char array. Fine. Here we need to compare it. Each character is there. That character we need to compare with the like A, I, O, U. How we can compare? If A, E, I, O, U dot index of which one? CH not equal to -1. Not equal to -1. Here what you wanted to place? Vowels plus plus. Else what you wanted to place? Consonants plus plus. Vowels plus plus, next one's a consonants plus plus. Here, for example, if a matched, it will return something here. If not matched, it will return -1. Now, print vowels and consonants. How to print it? How to print it? Println vowels. Vowels. Next one, here I need to print consonants also. Consonants, both. Vowels equal to 7 and consonants equal to 13. Fine. Team, check that one. Please execute this code also. Anyone completed? Team, anyone completed? Let me download it also. These are all the interview questions, man. Basic level interview questions. Send the code also. Please go through that one. For example, if a element found, it will return respective index. For example, E is there. E available now. E will return 1. 1 not equal to 1. Condition is of true. True in the sense oval plus plus. True in the sense automatically we will get the oval plus plus. Team, I will give one more example. Now try from your end. Can you tell the spelling of listen? Listen. So this is the listener. Listen. Can you tell the spelling of silent? Can you tell the spelling of silent? S-I-L-E-N-T. Am I right or not? Compare both same letters na. Compare it. Same letters na. Array, chart with me. Listen and silent contain same letters na. Contain the same letters na. Am I right or not? Listen and silent contain same letters. If two strings contain the same letters, then such a type of strings we can call anagrams. Anagram. Otherwise, we can't say not anagrams. Anagrams. Next one is the not anagrams. Got it now? Fine. Team, before joining the tomorrow session, will you people do this one? Will you write the code for this example? Which example? Find whether the given strings are anagram or not. Will you write the code? Got it now? What is the anagram? Listen. What is the another thing? Silent. Both are the same now. Answer, both are the same now. Both are the same. Same letters are there. If the same letters are found, then that string we can call anagram. Otherwise, we can't say anagram. Anagram. Fine. Please do note down this example. Please do note down this example. I'm expecting you people need to do it. Let me share this one also. Download it. I'm requesting everyone, please download this one. Please note down this one. Anagram. If two words contain the same characters. Yeah, if two words contain the same characters, then that string we can call anagram. Okay, na team, will you do this one? Give the confirmation. How many members have done the today execution? Please raise the hand. Today code execution. How many members completed today code? Like a double linked list, number of words. Next one, frequency of letters. How many members completed? Please raise the hand. At least I'm expecting more than 100 members team. Well, a few members are doing. We're expecting more than 100. Can I expect this assignment before joining the tomorrow session? Can we expect this assignment before joining the tomorrow session? Will you do this one before joining the tomorrow session? Yes, so don't forget it. I will ask the few members. I will unmute yourself. Then you people need to explain it. Okay, na? Fine. Yeah. Amar, can you please end the meeting?
Yes. So dear student, I'm sharing the attendance link. If anybody missed on that, so please mark your attendance and we'll see you on tomorrow at same time. Thank you.